Well, I've been hiding this from you for a really long time, working on it for months now. And the big news is, farm, I will be right back. What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. I'm about to head out to one of my favorite locations. I haven't been here in a while. If you have any guesses, drop them down in the comments down below. But to say the least, it is a cool an hour and change drive. We got a good drive. Now, while we drive an hour and a half, why don't I tell you a little bit about today's video sponsor, and after that, I'll meet at the spot. This video is brought to you by True Classic, the premium apparel brand for men's essential tees, activewear, loungewear, outerwear, and more. Father's Day is coming up, and we know how difficult it could be to buy for your dad. On TrueClassic.com, you'll discover gifts that fit his style and your budget. Ultra soft, premium quality fabrics, and fits that are perfect for home, office, and anywhere else in between. Help dad upgrade his wardrobe to look and feel his best. Now, True Classic has all the above. From button-ups, polos, activewear, jeans, outerwear, and everyday essentials like underwear and socks as well. The True Classic difference is all about the fit. On another note, I have just the gift for my father. I got my dad a bunch of clothes. Look at it all.
Amazing. Very, very soft, very comfortable. Really, really, really nice stuff. Thank you so much, True Classic.
My dad approves. He definitely approves. They're extremely soft and designed to be tighter in the arms and chest area, but then more roomy in the midsection to complement your body in all the right places. My dad's jacked. Absolutely. It fits perfectly. It's tight up top, just like we were just saying, and then it loosens up as it goes down. What do you think, Dad? With curated outfit options and super helpful 3, 6, and 9 packs to make it super easy for your dad to shop. Once he finds something he likes, he can literally find it in any color. And True Classic is super affordable, so you can not only get a nice fit for your dad, but while you're on the site, get something for yourself. For a limited time, you could take advantage of their Father's Day sale and get 25% off plus free shipping. The link is down below and my code is right here on the screen. Again, that is 25% off and free shipping. And I'm doing all this because being a dad should never go out of style.
That's right.
And just like that, we are here at Bear. Does anyone know what Bear stands for? Blake's Exotic Animal Ranch. That's where we're at today. And we're not only here to just tour the place and see all the upgrades and new things that Blake has, because he has a lot, but we're also here to quite possibly buy something as well. So keep your eyeballs peeled, because we're gonna see a lot. There's otters over here. We got a capybara up there with a big pig. They're hanging out in the shade, but first things first, that's a big pond. We just gotta find Blake. Blake?
Yo!
Hey, bud!
What's up?
Dude,
how you doing, bro?
Epic, bro.
Heck yeah, bro.
So this is Blake's new pond. How big is this? How many gallons?
6,000 gallons, 6,500, 6,000, something around there. Somewhere around
is crazy, bro. I gotta give you guys a far look at this masterpiece. I'm not gonna lie, I came here a couple months ago. I didn't see the vision, dude. Not saying it was gonna look bad.
Yeah.
I just looked at it, I'm like, where is he going with this? It looked like someone just made cool rock out of concrete.
But I mean, we got it going. We got the plumbing all up and running, UVs going. I mean,
my goodness.
It's only been running for 5 days now and it's looking really good.
That is crazy. So a lot of filtration on this side.
Oh yeah.
If we move over here, look at the front of this pond. That is incredible, Blake. And how tall are you? What, 6 foot?
Yeah, heck no. Wait, you're probably 6 foot. I'm like 5'8".
You're 5'8"?
Yeah.
Wait a second. Oh my gosh, dude. I thought you were way taller. Standing next to it, I'm about 6'1", 6'2".
Yeah, so the vision I always had is to make sure anybody at any height, their eyes would still be at the glass.
Yeah, even if you're Nick Bingo.
Yeah, I'm putting it out there.
I'm sorry, Nick. I had to throw that one at you. This looks insane, bro.
Yeah, so we're just missing the lights, like Paul was saying earlier. Once those lights get in there, it's gonna really pop. Because the water's clear. You might not think it's clear.
No, the water is. I will get as close as I can without my mic hitting. The water's clear. Reminds me of when I first filled my pond, but lighting is big. So once Blake does get, he said he has on order lights, big old lights. Once he gets those lights, this is all gonna literally pop so much more.
Oh yeah.
Because clearly it's not like the water's dirty. You can literally see the rock in the background. If we look closely, you can see some of the cichlids that he put in there to help cycle the pond. Yeah. Dude, where's your arapaima? Because that's what we gotta see, because that's what's going in here.
This is what made it for.
Oh my gosh. You know what's so crazy, bro? I remember this thing. Look at that monster.
Yeah, I think she's probably around 4.5 foot now.
Dude, I remember when this thing was like 6 inches.
Lived in there.
It literally was in there.
Yeah.
That is crazy.
There's a ripsaw in here, bro.
Look at that.
That's probably the same size as her.
No way. We got a big old albino clown and catfish back there. Holy smokes.
Thing's monster, bro.
That ripsaw is literally the size of the arapaima.
Bro, huge.
Look at that arapaima.
Epic.
That's incredible. You know how jealous I am of that?
It's gonna be a move to get that thing up there.
You know, I'll grab that mother. I'll jump on in and I'll put that thing in there by myself. You ever seen what I could do to an arapaima before? You ever seen that? I'll get that thing in that pond, let me tell you. Well, maybe he'll get me in the pond. I'm not gonna lie, this is probably, I don't wanna say the coolest because then I'd debunk myself. This is the coolest pond. This is the coolest one I think I've ever seen. This gets up there with Ohio Fish Rescues.
Oh yeah, the big pond?
Yeah, the big one he has with the big glass. This is up there with that. I'm going up, Blake. I'm going up. Holy smokes, dude. Don't let me fall back like the cartoons. Wow. Dude, this is crazy.
We're making a deck to feed the fish, and we're making an office to work.
So Blake's literally, with these stilts, making a second story where he's gonna put an office space.
Yep.
And along with the office space, a feeding section for up here. So you can literally feed all the fish from right here. Like this, we could be walking right here. If I was to take the step right now, I'd probably break my neck. Look at that filter. Oh yeah. That's awesome. I kind of just want to jump in here. I'm not gonna lie, it looks so fun.
And it's the water has to go up another 8 inches. It has to come up to about right here.
Oh, the water's coming up more?
Yeah, it has to go up to there.
Bro, this place looks awesome, Blake. On our way down now. Ah! All right, we made it.
Finally got a generator up for the fish tank.
Oh, dude, that is what I'm lacking on. How much was that?
6,500, not including. Still need to get tanks and everything else. I got.
Because I need that. I need that.
That's
for my pond.
Needs for your pond.
What's up, buddies?
Oliver and Callie.
Oliver and Callie. This is, of course, everyone knows my dream animal. I've always wanted these things. You still grab fingers?
Yeah, just watch her. Same thing.
Hey, buddy. They're so cool, dude. And you just had babies, huh?
Yeah, I did. We were able to rehome them though.
That's awesome. This enclosure, of course, looks amazing. And there's a viewing panel right there. It's quite dirty right now.
Yeah, the freaking magnet broke. I need to get a new magnet that has to come in.
It's crazy seeing all of my friends like progress at their properties. We were just over at Jacob's house and we together seen how crazy Jacob's place has gotten. And then we come over to Blake's and now Blake's place is so crazy as well. And he's actually got, are you actually allowed to say anything about the quail?
Yeah.
He's literally starting a whole quail business, like for feeders. I remember the deer, right?
Yeah, she had a baby.
Look at all the high grass.
They love it. That's why the baby loves it so much. If you look really, really closely right over there.
Oh, mama don't like us over here. A little deer. It's a little one.
Super cute.
Oh my gosh, dude, it's so tiny. Oh, that is crazy.
So unlike the others that will come up and eat at her hand because they're a bottle raised, she wasn't. I kept her with the mom. So she'll always be skittish and stay away.
She'll be like a wild one.
Yeah.
So we literally worked our way from the building, now from the otters over to the deer. And now right next to the deer is of course all of Blake's tortoise enclosures. And then is he here right now? Marty's here?
Yeah.
Oh, he's got a frog in his mouth.
Oh my God. Look what he found.
Did he do that himself?
I did not give that to him.
Oh my gosh.
He's
Marty,
destroying a frog.
you're whacking a frog on a stick right now. He's laughing.
Yeah, he's anything that goes in that cage gets destroyed.
That frog made a big mistake.
Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did.
I can't believe you didn't give him that.
I swear I did not give it to him.
That's Marty for you.
Yeah, I did it.
So many tortoises. These little redfoots.
Yeah, a bunch of redfoots.
Look at all them quail cages.
Yeah, a lot of quail.
Oh yeah. Walking back over to here. Blake, these things have gotten like 4 times the size.
Yeah, they're growing.
We're gonna walk in with a bird that is literally known for eating humans. That is wild.
The only reason why people get hurt by them is because people mess with them. So like us going inside the enclosure, that's the reason why you'll get hurt. And the main reason why they hurt people is because they're trying to protect their younger eggs. They're not out there just to like...
Yeah, they're not out here like a crocodile.
Correct, no.
Trying to just murk people. No, because I mean, even us sitting here, they're like my emus. They're just chilling.
They're still young.
Yeah.
Once they're 3 to 4 years old, there's no more going inside the cage.
No.
No, you don't go in no more. Right now, we're still good.
Well, it was a great time knowing you guys. It's good to see you without a fence between us too. Blake said that these cranes right here will do more damage than those
That guy
birds.
right there will get you. You don't want to get bit by him.
We are now making our way over to the aviary.
It's a
I
whole
love
world over here.
I love this place, man.
It's It's thick now. You haven't been here for probably like 5-6 months.
Yeah, at least.
It's a jungle.
I love these birds. These are the ones that come. Gray-winged trumpeters.
We can come this way first if you want.
I love how clear the water is too. With all these ducks, it manages to stay clear. And you know, with how much has grown into here, it looks amazing.
Oh, yeah.
It looks so much better. It's also probably helping that water stay a lot cleaner.
Just like if he was in the wild.
Yeah, look at him. How cool is that? This is one of your dreams.
Oh yeah, this is my dream enclosure.
And if you look real closely, there's little rope things that go across, a little birdhouse up there, and this net goes all the way up in the sky.
Yeah.
There is a net far up in the sky, so these birds could just free roam as much as they could possibly ever want. Literally natural, looks almost like natural river. It's crazy. Aquascape did a great job on this pond right here. Look at that. So epic.
Fish look great.
Fish do look good. Oh my gosh, Blake, we're stuck. In here, there's a couple cows, we got some goats, some chickens, cranes that'll probably bite your fingers off. There's a bunch of animals in there, but
the farm area.
it's the little farm area, and there's no grass, which we all know at my house the same way. Look at all them quail eggs.
Oh yeah.
Holy smokers. Lots of tortoises, baby tortoises.
Oh yeah, tons.
So many. And these guys are all getting a bath, taking some drinking right now.
Yep.
Down beneath is probably where they go when they're not in the water. And here is all the water turtles.
Different types of water turtles, yeah.
Which is awesome. We got some soft shells. Oh my gosh, dude.
But they get big. You'll have to go into a pond.
Wow. Oh, it's the same thing that Kenan has.
Correct. Kenan has.
Kenan's got these big ones.
Yeah.
Painted terrapin.
Yeah. So if it's a male, it'll be really, really pretty color. If it's a female, it'll just stay this color.
And they get huge.
Yeah, they get very big.
I would love to put that into the
duck pond.
the duck pond once I get it fully redone. We got to rent excavator and so much work to get done over there, but
yeah, just a lot of wood turtles.
a lot of little wood turtles. Gotten one of these. I did get this one.
Did you?
Yeah, from you last time, and it's huge now. It's twice the size of that.
Yeah.
Such cool colors on that.
They're neat.
Crazy little turtle. Malaysian box turtle. No, it's not. That kind of does look like it from the
On
top.
the top, yeah.
Right?
That's a Colombian blue-eyed wood turtle. Very, very
So I
rare.
thought this was a Malaysian box turtle until I picked it up and saw the underneath of it. That's definitely not.
Yeah.
Every time I come here, Blake has done
something
10x what I last was here seeing. Does that make sense? Did I just speak English? But you know what I'm saying. And we are back home just like that. All around the fish building, there is pictures hanging now. I finally had gotten everything hung up. As you can see, beautiful fan art kind of spread out throughout the entire building. Some other art that I've bought in the past. Nick found that in the trash and he brought it over to my house, so hung that. As you can see, everyone's art. We're gonna keep on adding to it. If you guys have any art, something like this, it's preferably on a canvas because the moisture in here will mess up paper. So if you have cool canvas art, you wanna make some art for the fish building and have your stuff on this wall, send it to the P.O. Box address down below and I will get it up on the walls here. My grandpa painted that one. It looks so good over there. For anyone wondering about updates on the saltwater pond, fiberglass still needs to get done in a couple spots, but for the most part, we're dang close to being done. The paint has arrived. This is both things of the pond paint right there. Probably gonna get to that in the next week or so, maybe 2 weeks. Now you're probably wondering, what the heck is the big news, Paul? What's the news? Well, I've been hiding this from you for a really long time, I'm working on it for months now. And the big news is, I am officially, finally, going to be opening up my own fish store. It is gonna be absolutely epic. I'm gonna beep that name, actually. I don't want anyone to know the name, unless you can read lips. There's so much more to explain and figure out before I even release it to the public and actually start selling fish. But I wanted to tell you guys that support me every single day first, before I say anything else, anywhere else on social media. I am gonna have my very own fish store, and it's a unique way of doing it as well. So there's gonna be much more to come on this topic. Within the next month or so, we should have finalized everything, and by July, have it where you guys can go online and order your very own fish off of my website. I'm gonna bleep that again. Smash the like button for me. I know you guys are gonna be so stoked to check out the website. You'll be able to literally get your very own beast, your very own redtail, your very own Oscar, your very own koi fish, iridescent catfish. Literally everything in my pond you will be able to get on that. My own fish store. Golly, how have I not done this years ago? It's because I wanted to perfect it, and this is gonna be so awesome. I appreciate your support. You are literally the only reason why I am exactly where I am right now, and I have so much more amazing content like this right here, a pond coming right here, this big old pond right here, this project right here, and only God knows how how many others. So make sure you subscribe down below with your notifications on so you don't miss anything coming up. I'll of course keep you updated. Like I said, it's probably gonna be towards the month of the July, late June, for my fish store stuff, but it's gonna be awesome, and I'm not over exaggerating. Thank you so much for watching. Big shout out to True Classic. Check out the links down below, and I'll see you right back here in the next one. Peace. The thunder hit as I close off the video.